Good morning, Castle Knights. This is Katrina and Amanda with this week's Castle Communication, where we're breaking barriers and building futures. Some updates. CAS testing continues this week for 3rd through 6th grade. Please let us know if you're making changes. This is imperative for office communication and minimal disruptions during testing. 3rd through 6th grades, you may continue to do your own ELD and walk to learn during this time.
And we are excited to have our Science Fair Spectacular performances coming up this week. On Monday, we will have a dress rehearsal for 4th through 6th grade in the NPR at 1 to 1:45. These are just for the people participating. On May 8th, Tuesday, we'll have our assembly for intermediate only, 4th through 6th grades at 1:30. And then Tuesday evening, we will have the final performance at 6 p.m. for families.
All right, we are combining our April and May awards with the 4th quarter awards. So on May 25th, 2nd grade will have their ceremony at 9 o'clock, followed by 1st grade at 10 o'clock. On May 29th, our Honorable Knights will be awarded at 8:30 on the blacktop. And then the ceremonies will follow 3rd grade at 9 o'clock, 5th grade at 9:45, kindergarten at 1:30, and 4th grade at 2:15. And then we will wrap up the awards with our 6th grade awards at 9 o'clock in the NPR.
All right, some reminders. Our summer school registration forms were sent home again last week. Please send any return forms up to the office ASAP so that we can get final numbers.
Our Camp Keep numbers are looking great. We are full, but we are in desperate need of male counselors. If you have a friend or family member who may be interested, please see us ASAP. We are also sending notices home to all students attending Camp Keep, letting them know we need male counselors.
And then several of you have asked about end of the year checkout. Those forms and procedures should be in your box by the end of the day today. We're also copying the leveling forms. Please see Amanda or myself if you have any questions.
We will have a short staff meeting on Wednesday, May 9th at 2:15. The remainder of the time and other Wednesdays will be dedicated to PLC or to finish your leveling cards, class lists, CUMES. Just follow the timeline that was put in your box.
All right, and then we do have a leadership meeting this Wednesday, May 9th at 3:20. We will be finishing up our SPSA evaluation.
And looking ahead, open house is next Thursday, May 17th. It is a 1-hour early out. Please be on campus by 5:45 as open house begins at 6 o'clock.
All right, now for some shout outs. We wanted to recognize Jennifer Dignan, Lynn Killian, and Michelle Hoover for Battle of the Books. They took our students out to Battle of the Books and did an outstanding job getting the kids ready.
And last week, Cody Greenwell had his instrumental concert performed by our students. It was a lovely evening. Thank you, Cody, for all the hard work and what you've taught our students.
And then Dawn has done a great job with her group of volunteers setting up for the book fair. Thank you so much, Dawn.
Emilio had his art students enter into a water conservation art contest, and we learned that one of our students was chosen as a top 3 winner, and that student will be announced at our 6th grade awards ceremony at the end of May. Thanks, Emilio.
And then Carolina, Julie, and Michelle, thank you for opening up your classroom for our new kindergarten teachers to observe. They saw some great things.
And Kim, Jackie, Bree, and Jill, thank you for your continued support during state testing. Working with the small groups has been very helpful.
And then Kim and Shannon, thank you for supporting Extended Day last week.
And Jamie and Shannon, thank you for attending the conference in Tulare on NGSS. We look forward to hearing what you've learned.
All right, everybody, thanks for listening. Remember our 3 school priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture. Have a great week.